Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Dalia Sultana, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to taking a computer class of class 2. So dear students, our class number 2, topic reading page 3 to 6 and short question number 1 and homework number 1. Okay. In our previous class, we read the page number 1 to 3. What makes a computer so useful? A computer can remember much more than we can. It can remember maths tables, it can remember your friends' birthdays and telephone numbers. It can remember the spellings and meanings of all words. That is page number 3. And I am going to page number 4. A computer does not make mistakes like we do. It does not make mistakes while working out difficult sums. It can check spelling mistakes and correct them. A computer can work much faster than us. It can work out large sums in seconds. It can search for any information you want very fast. A computer does not get tired or bored like we do. It can work for as long as you can want. It can do the same things again and again as long as you want. Assess your learning, we skip this part. Okay, types of computers. Computers come in different shapes and sizes. However, they all perform same basic function. Let us take a look at some of them. So, we finished our page number 4. Now, I am going to page number 5. So, desktop computer, they are the most commonly used computers today. They are big and heavy, you cannot carry them around, they are used in offices, schools and homes. So, these pictures as a desktop computer. So, laptop computer, these computers work on batteries, they can be carried around even in your school bag. So, here are a laptop computer. So, tablet computer, these are portable computers with touch screen. They are smaller and lighter than laptops and can be carried around. So, you can carry easily, and many machines today have computers built into them. For example, smartphones. A smartphone is used as a cell phone, but it can also help you do many things that a bigger computer can. So, now starting and sitting down. To work on any electronic machine, it has to be started by switching it on. When the work is over, it is shut down. So, let us see how to start and shut down a computer. Starting a computer, here are figure out. So, step 1, if the electricity switch is off, put it on. So, dear students, look at these pictures like this. Step 2, switch on the UPS. And we finished page number 5, and now I am going to page number 6. Step 3, switch on the CPU. Here this is a CPU. And step 4, switch on the monitor. Switch on the monitor. On switching on the computer, a screen called the desktop appears. It has small pictures called icons on it. Shutting down a computer. How can do you shutting the computer? Step 1, click on the start button, that is Windows. Step 2, on the list that appears, click shut down. A message saying shutting down will appear. The monitor will turn, here are like this picture. The monitor will turn blank after a few seconds. Step 3, switch off the monitor. Step 4, switch off the UPS and electricity switch only if your teacher tells you to do so. So, dear students, now I am going to talking about our homework topics. Our homework topics are short question number 1 and homework 1. And you must write when you do your homework, top of the page, the corner, homework number and question. Our question, why is a computer called a smart machine? What can a computer do? Answer, computers are very useful to us because they can do many things better than us. That is why a computer is a smart machine. There are few things a computer can do, such as there are many things. I read. Number 1, work out sums, listen to music. 3, draw and color pictures. 4, play games. 5, send and receive messages. And number 6, check spelling of words. So dear students, here are our homework number 1 and short question number 1. You have to submit on 6th February 2021 on Saturday 9 am to 3 pm. So dear students, stay safe and stay home.